Removing the X-Porte engine and TTC replacement. Welcome to Fujifilm Sonosite service training on the Sonosite X-Porte. This series covers breakdown of the X-Porte into its component service assemblies. In this video, we will cover replacement of the X-Porte engine and TTC. Always ensure the system is powered off and disconnected from AC before servicing. For this portion of servicing the X-Porte, you will not need any tools. Begin with the system facing you and the casters locked. If you are going to remove the TTC, disconnect any transducers by lowering the latch for each one and rotating it 90 degrees. To disconnect the TTC, locate and lower its latch, rotate it 90 degrees, and allow the TTC connector to drop down about an inch. You may need to wiggle it back and forth to disengage it from the system. From above, find the TTC release on the right side of the TTC and the TTC latch pin on the bottom left of the TTC. Note, older models may not have the slide release. While still supporting the TTC with both hands, remove the release forward and pull down on the pin. Slide the TTC to the left and allow it to drop down from the stand head. To remove the engine, it is not necessary to remove the TTC or disconnect individual transducers, but you must first disconnect the TTC. Double check that there is nothing plugged into the USB ports on the right side of the system, or the ECG or lock receptacle on the left side of the system. Raise the control panel to its full upright position. From above, locate the engine releases. They are to the left and right sides of the engine under the stand head, in line with the power button. While exerting slight downward pressure on the engine, pull each release outward towards the handles. The rear of the engine should pop up when you release the pressure. Lift the engine out of the stand head from the rear, allowing the front edge to clear the two clips. When reinstalling the engine, place the front edge under the clips and lower the rear into place. Press down with the palms at the rear corners until each side clicks into place. If assistance with ordering parts or isolating repairs is needed, please contact Fujifilm Sonosite Technical Support.